Thank you for the drink.
Hey, it was my pleasure. My name's Marcus.
Lisa.
Hey, Lisa. Lisa, I have a confession to make.
You do?
Yeah, see, I've never done anything like this before.
Like what?
What a drink for a woman I didn't know.
Really?
I was sitting here thinking to myself, hey Marcus, it's time to do something different in your life. Smile to someone you don't know. Order a vodka martini with a twist instead of a Jack and Coke. And buy a pretty lady a drink. Do something different with your life. Do one thing that you've never done before, Marcus. And if you get nothing else out of it, at least you get that. You know what I'm saying?
I think so.
You do.
I do. I think.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Trying something new.
Take a chance.
You think I'm pretty?
I think you're very attractive.